today I'm here with a new project to share with you and also the release of my digital magazine. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you one of the projects that is on the newest edition of the digital magazine. The magazine actually released a couple weeks ago, so if you are subscribed to the magazine, you already seen it. But also the magazine is listed on the website as well. So on this magazine you're gonna find a lot of mini albums and projects inspired on love, and also of course you can find a lot of inspiration there if you are looking to craft early for Mother's Day or spring. It's just a little bit of everything in there, but mainly the theme was love. So this book here, it is a heart mini album, and the intention for this book was to make a book especially for us to write letters to ourselves, to our future self, to just kind of document everything that you want to take with you and remember. We always document our family, document our trips, our vacations, things that happen in our lives, because of course we want to document for our kids, but sometimes we forget to document how we're feeling and just kind of, what are you watching on TV? What are you reading? What are you interested on right now? It will be really fun to look back 10 years from now. So that was the idea behind this project. And so on this book, of course, you can use it as well as a mini album, but I wanted to have a lot of options to put pockets, to put envelopes, to put places where you can write letters and just tag them in there and just come back to your book years from now and see and look at all those memories, but especially all the documenting of your feelings. So on the magazine you will find step-by-step picture tutorials, measurements, inspiration, and anything that you will need to create these and other projects as well. So on the cover here I have some beautiful Prima flowers. I am using this paper collection. It is also by Prima. It is an older collection. I think it's the Tales of You and Me. I had it on my stash for a long time, or actually I think this one is the Love Notes. It is one of the two, but I just love the vintagey colors. I did distress all around, and also I ink with my vintage photo distress ink. It is a heart shape, as you can see, and then the spine, it is 3 inches, and then we have 3 signatures plus the covers, and that's how it looks here. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So when you open this up, here we have the hearts. I also love that this looks like a butterfly when you open it, and so over here we have, of course you can add a picture here. You can add pictures anywhere and use it as a regular mini album, but like I said, I wanted to create pockets and places where you can write little notes, letters to yourself. You can do a little bit of journaling, and you can place them on all of these pockets here. So I am just using little leftover pieces from the collection that I was using, that you can also put some little pictures in here, and of course you can add more things there as well. Now, because I'm only working on the designer cardstock, I am using some Velcro for the closure. So that's an idea. Instead of adding magnets, since we're not matting, you can just use little Velcro pieces and keep your little flaps closed as well. So this opens and opens, and then here I have another pocket, and again you can just add in here your little notes and things in there, and as always you can always put pictures there, of course. Some beautiful flowers that I wanted to add throughout, and then this is the next page. So a very simple, beautiful project, but I just love how these came out, and I really had fun cutting all these little tickets and adding little details on the pages here. This opens up like that, so you can add some notes in there, and then this will go in there, and then you can use the top of these little a little card to kind of hold that close. And then this one is the same as the other one, so we have the layouts to repeat. So we have 2 of these different envelope options, and then here we have a different one. So I embellished this with, again, some little tickets, some flowers. This opens up like that. I do have the Velcro here. And then this is more like an actual envelope. And again, on the magazine, you'll see the measurements and the folding and how we put it together. Super, super easy project actually to create. And then over here, place for a note, place for a picture, and then an internal pocket here for you to add your little journaling or leather, and then just gonna have it there hidden as a little secret. And then on these next 2 pages, again, we have more beautiful flowers, and it looks like I lost a little flower here, but then these, again, this opens up like that, and then we have the little ticket here that it's, the purpose also is to be the closure for that page. And then over here I did do a little double pocket, so we have a pocket on the front for this one, and then the envelope pocket here on the back, and then this closes up like that. So a really sweet, very simple project. This is one of the projects that you can find on my digital magazine. I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. If you are subscribed to the magazine, I want to thank you so much for all your support throughout the years. This is the 8th year of the magazine, so I'm going to have that link to this particular magazine down below, but also I'm going to have the link where you can find all my other magazines. And I am having a sale, so if you are new to the magazine, if you buy the bundles, you will save even more for the magazine as well. So yes, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.